Hey guys, what's up? I'm Meital, aka Lady Muse, and I want to welcome you all again to my new channel. So, what do we have today? Again, as you read in the title below, we're gonna do another unboxing of treats and sweets and all that is good. Today, I'm gonna focus on Japan with, drumroll please, Tokyo Treat! Yay! Okay, Tokyo Treat is similar to every other subscription snack box that you already know. You can subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, whatever. They have a huge promise of good quality Japanese stuff. 17 full-size items, including one Japanese drink, one party pack, yay, one anime snack, 5 popular Japanese snacks, 4 share packs, 3 dagashi, I have no idea what I'm saying, 1 DIY Japanese candy kit, ooh, that is cool, and 1 kinsoi snack. I have no idea what I'm saying, but kinsei, correct me if I'm wrong down below, and 1 Japanese candy guidebook, which we all need and love. So before we're gonna start, don't forget to like this video if you do, and share it because sharing is caring, and also comment on the comment section below because I love to hear what you're thinking. And if you want to see me do other unboxing of additional snack box, feel free to send me links and tell me what I should eat or should not eat. And of course, subscribing is good. Subscribing fills you up from the inside. So let's get it. Whoa. There's a lot of stuff inside. A lot of stuff. Whee! I'm a happy puppy. So again, this is for February, okay, February issue. I'm sorry the lighting is shitty, you probably see it with a reflection. They have like again, like every subscription box, they have like which candy or snacks you're gonna eat. They're listing what they are, so I'm guessing it's gonna be easier. Oh god, it's gonna be easier. No, I saw something that I don't want to eat. It's gonna be easier to understand, and of course, oh my god, there's mochi. Oh my god, look, there's mochi. I'm gonna eat mochi. I love mochi. Sorry. So let's get started. You see what? There's an angry dude on my snack. I don't know why he's angry. Okay, let's search for you. Who are you? Shin-chan Chocolate Stars. Shin-chan Chocolate Stars. Nice name. Is a popular candy throughout Japan, and this variety is shaped like stars and has a sweet chocolate flavor. It's also packed with vitamin D. So let's see how healthy it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like they're individually wrapped. Can you see it? Oh, here you go. It's like a star-shaped thingy. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna eat it. I don't know if I want to eat it. It looks like... Okay, it tastes like... It tastes like chocolate, but it's not. Yeah, I'm leaving it. Yet again, something I cannot eat because I'm vegetarian. If you didn't see before, I cannot eat some stuff because they contain meat or meat products, fish, stuff like that. So I'm guessing from the picture here with the chopsticks, the metal chopsticks, that they have like meat inside. This powerful rice snack is packed with garlic to give you a flavor-packed sensation. Again, This snack is shaped like hearts and to remind you of the love around you. And garlic. I love stuff when they come like this. I have no idea what it is. Oh my god, it's so cool. Okay, so Calbee vegetable salad. Salad, yeah, salad heart chips. Time for a healthy snacks. These heart-shaped vegetable salad chips come with 3 different colors, red, yellow and green, which have various flavors based on various vegetables. So this is like a salad in a pack. Yay. Okay, I have no idea what I want to eat first. Okay, I'm gonna try only one, because I'm guessing it's like most of them are, like all of them are the same. Ah. Okay. Here we go. So this is how it comes. Oh, it's good. It's actually really good. I like it. It's basically, there's something similar in our country. It's called dubonim. Okay, it tastes like dubonim, if you know what I mean, and I will explain it to you with, I don't know, a heading here or there. So it actually tastes the same as dubonim, same flavor, 100% same flavor. You can semi-taste the vegetable flavoring. I think they wanted to go with it, but it's not. Oh, it's good. It's not bad. I like it. Okay, moving on. I'm sorry, but like packaging always cracks me up, especially for foreign countries. There you go. Again, a lost child. So this is Glico strawberry biscuits. This classic biscuit snack from popular brand Glico gives you a sweet strawberry sweet strawberry snack experience. This is the perfect snack to take on the go to brighten your day anywhere. Yeah, it did brighten my day. So let's see. The smell of strawberries is so overwhelming. Oh. Wait. Hey. Yeah. Okay. It's like some sort of a digestive cookies, you know, like almost buttery, but like the filling is artificial strawberry inside. You can eat it. It's not that amazing. The strawberry, so harsh. Okay, moving on. There you go. Yeah. Okay, this is a chocolate Umaibo. I have no idea. This scrumptious corn puff is infused with chocolate to ensure that every bite is rich and delicious. Yay! Let's see if it's rich and delicious. Here we go. I don't wanna. I broke it. Oh, this is good. This is good shit. Okay, this is super light, super chocolatey, but like it has a little bit of coffee flavor, I think. Yeah, some chocolate, some coffee. Maybe I'm mistaken, but it's like, it's very, very good. I like it. There's a bunny rabbit on it. Bunny, bunny, bunny. Soy sauce crackers. This snack has two soy sauce crackers, sorry, inside a cute packaging. This is what I thought. Every bite is a savory blast of flavor that will make it hard to stop snacking on this. So, oh. Okay. You see? Oh. It's hard for the camera to focus on, but it's like some sort of a puff disc. It's some soy. Oh. Actually, it's not bad. Not amazing. It doesn't taste like soy. It's like stale bread. It's good. Wouldn't buy it, but okay, it's good. What else? Wait, what? You see? It's the lady that plays the drums. Very Japanese. Very Japanese. Okay. Okay, it's kimchi rice puffs. Kimchi is a popular flavor throughout Japan, and these rice puffs perfectly recreate the kimchi flavor. Each puff is like eating a bite of real kimchi. Yeah, see? Okay. No, you don't want? No. Well, okay, the first one was like a bit weird because it's like full burst of flavor, like really strong, but then like in the second one, like you can like say it's cool, I can eat it, it's cool. It's not spicy, it's flavorsome, it smells kind of nice. I've never eaten kimchi in my life before, so I have no idea if it's similar to kimchi, so I'm taking their word for it. I'm guessing that kimchi is much spicier than this, so this is not spicy at all. So I'm guessing like it's like the fake strawberry, it's like fake kimchi kind of taste, but it's good. I would buy it again. Next. Oh, this is the mochi. This is the DIY kit of mochi that they promised. They promised a candy DIY kit. It's a thing apparently that you can create your own candy. I'm gonna take it to work because I want somebody close to me, okay, somebody super close to me that will help me make it, because she's a mochi fanatic. So we're gonna make it at work. I'm gonna add this bit later on, so stay tuned. This we're gonna test later on. Fucking weird. Oh, I love the packaging. The packaging is so freaking cool. It's a cat. You see the cat? Cat. Okay, you see the paws? And it's marshmallow paws. You see? Okay, so marshmallow again I'm not gonna eat because there's some possibilities it's containing some animal product. So forgive me, I'm not gonna eat it. Sorry. What? I have no idea what it is. It looks like potato chips with chocolate on them. Calbee chocolate dipped chips, savory and sweet. These chocolate dipped chips will satisfy those craving for rich, healthy snack. Healthy snack. Every bite contains the perfect balance of sweet and salty. Okay, so if you guys just saying. It smells more like chocolate than chips. See it? Cute! It feels like somebody fell with chocolate syrup on potato chips. Like accidentally went like on like a bag of potato chips. It's not bad. It's good. It's good. I like it. Try it. Okay. Okay. Pika! Okay. What? Here you go. Pikachu! Oh my god. Oh my god. Like the packaging is so freaking cool. This is like the anime thingy that they mentioned, like an anime snack. But look here. Oh, here you go. They tried to imitate Pikachu's face and it looks like somebody burned him or something like that. Chocolate puffs. This month's anime snack is fun Pikachu shaped chocolate puffs. This corn puff is packed with calcium to give. I'm sorry, but like taking like health benefits and putting them on snacks that contain a lot of sodium and chocolate and like good stuff. Like don't get me wrong, I like sodium, I like chocolate, I like shitty stuff, okay, but saying it's healthy for you, that is just wrong. So it's packed with calcium and it will give you an added benefit. So let's try it. Open it. But let's see how this. Oh, it smells sweet. So I'm guessing it's like packed with sugar. Oh my god! Look what they've done to Pikachu. Pikachu! Oh my god! That is what is left from you. Oh my god! Pikachu! Okay. Bottoms up. It tastes like cereal. Not Cocoa Puffs, but something similar. 100% you can take it and like pour it in like a bowl and eat it with milk. It's good. Very good. I like it. See? There you go. There you go. Petite pudding chocolate. Pudding is popular sweet in Japan, so why not fuse it with chocolate? You did it with the potato chips, why not doing it with pudding? That's what happened with these cute petite pudding chocolates. These sweet candies are perfect for Valentine's Day treat. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Okay, so it looks like a pudding, but like miniature. I think it's like chocolatey, but let's see. It tastes like chocolate you can find in your grandma's house, like something that, you know, change colors. So no, I will not give it another try, sorry. Next thing, Kit Kat. Okay, Kit Kat. We all love Kit Kat and we all know that in Japan they have a plethora of Kit Kats, different types, shapes, forms, same shape, same form, different flavors. So basically this is an orange or tangerine. I have no idea, but it's white chocolate with citrus stuff. This is like the family pack that they said that you're gonna have in your box. Oh, it's orange. It's 100% orange. There you go. See it? It smells super orangey, so it's like fake orange. White chocolate and orange. Very good. Not bad. Not amazing. Sparkling sangria! Yay! So I didn't have a chance to chill it a little bit, but oh my god! Oh, it's Coca-Cola. It's from Coca-Cola. You can see it? Here we go. Okay. From Coca-Cola. So let's try it. Yay. Ah, it smells good. Ooh, I like it. It actually tastes like sangria. Very fruity, non-alcoholic, I think. Grape juice and sangria flavoring. Okay, so this is why I like it. It's grape juice. I love grape juice. Show me somebody that doesn't like grape juice. Juice. So basically this is good if you put some alcohol in it. Kids, earmuffs right now, but if you put some alcohol in it, some vodka or some vodka, it's probably gonna, you know, bring it up a little bit higher and gonna give it a little punch, kick, whatever, I don't know. So this is good. It's, you can drink it on its own, but I would spike it up for sure. So this is the last item that we got. If you wanna try this amazing box by yourself and try and discover new treats, amazing treats, I will link for their service in the description down below. I was Meital, you were you, and see you later in the next video.